students, welcome to class 1 video class. Today we are going to start a new chapter. What is the name of a chapter? Weather and seasons. What is the name of a chapter? Weather and seasons. First of all, weather. What do you mean by weather? So, when the condition of air at a particular time or place, it is known as a weather. What is weather? Condition of air. एयर की जो कंडीशन है पर्टिकुलर टाइम और प्लेस पे, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? वेदर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आज बहुत ठंड लग रही है. देन व्हाट वी विल से? द वेदर इज कोल्डी. यस या नो? यस, वी आर फीलिंग सो कोल्ड. यस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आज बहुत गर्मी है, बहुत धूप है. देन व्हाट वी विल से? इट्स अ सनी डे. आज का वेदर कैसा है? हॉट है. इट्स सनी डे. वेदर इज सेम एट ऑल द प्लेस? नो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ इन सुरेंद्रनगर वी आर फीलिंग सनी डे, then it is the same that in all the city it would be sunny day only? No. Weather will change at a different time and at different place. Look at here. Weather is the condition of air at a particular time or place. It changes from day to day. It may be sunny, rainy, cloudy, cold or windy. क्या हर रोज वेदर सेम रहता है? नो. वेदर विल चेंज डे टू डे. इट मे बी सनी, रेनी भी हो सकता है. यस. देन क्लाउडी, कोल्ड और विंडी. अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? यस. नाउ सीजन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सीजन? व्हेन द सेम वेदर विल बी देयर फॉर सम डेज, देन वी विल टेल इट एज अ season. We will term it as season. See, there is one activity, Debbie's time. What we have to do here? We have to write the weather. Look at the first picture. What type of weather it is? Yes, it's rainy day. So write here rainy. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy. Next one. Which type of weather is there? It's cold. So write here cold. C-O-L-D. Cold. Next one. What these girls and boys are doing? Yes, they are feeling so hot. So which type of weather is there? Sunny day. So write here sunny. S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny day. Next one. Look at here. In this picture what are given? Clouds. So which type of weather is there? Cloudy. C-L-O-U-D-Y. Cloudy. And last one, air is blowing so fast. Look at here. So which type of weather is there? It's windy day. W-I-N-D-Y. Windy. Now turn the page. Take next one. Yes, first of all, sunny days. What will happen on sunny days? On sunny days, the sun shines brightly. The weather is very hot. See, on sunny days what will be there? Weather is very hot. हम सबको बहुत गर्मी लगेगी. Look at this picture. Yes, which type of weather is there? Weather is too hot. So it is known as sunny day. Then cloudy day. Dark clouds hide the sun on some days. They are called cloudy days. When there will be dark clouds in the sky and it will hide the sun. At that time, which type of day it would be? It is known as cloudy day. Which type of day it is? What is the weather? Cloudy day. Then cold days. Some days are very cold. We like to stay indoor. It also snows on cold days in hilly areas. See, now on these days, which type of weather is there? It's cold days. हम लोग को ठंडी लग रही है ना? Yes, it is known as cold day. At that time, what do we like? we will like to stay in house only because outside it's too cold. So what we will prefer? We will prefer to stay inside. And in cool days what will happen? Snows will fall on hilly areas. Next is windy days. Strong winds blow on some days. We see branches of trees and plants moving. We need to hold our things tightly to stop them from flying away. These are called windy days. See, when the winds will blow so fast, strong winds is there. At that time what will be there? It is windy day. What is there? Windy day. Look at this picture. What this girl is trying to do? She is trying to hold this basket of flowers. But wind is blowing so fast. So she is not able to hold it. So what will happen on windy days? We have to hold our things tightly. Otherwise it will fly away. Then see here. Branches of trees and plants are also moving. Yes or no? Yes. So such weather is known as windy day. Understood or not? Yes. What we have learned on this page? Sunny day, cloudy day, cold day and windy day. Now let us learn rainy day. Take next page. On some days it rains a lot. Everything around us gets wet. Sometimes when the sun shines through the rain, we see rainbow in the sky. What will happen on rainy days? Rain will come. What will happen? Rain. If sometime rains is there, at that time what we will say? Which type of day it is? It is rainy day. What will happen on rainy day? Everything will become wet. And if the sun is shining, then what we are able to see in the sky? We are seeing rainbow. What we are seeing? Rainbow. Next is Debbie's time. But Debbie's time activity you have to do it as a homework. Okay? Now, season. A season is the time of the year when one type of weather stays for many days or month. There are 5 different seasons in a year. We wear different types of clothes and eat different types of food depending on the season. Now, what is the meaning of season? If one type of weather is remaining for some days or some month, then what we will say? We will say it as a season. For example, winter season. If we are feeling cold for so many days, yes or no? Yes, weather will be cold day for so many days. Then we will term it as a winter. So, how many seasons are there in a year? There are 5 seasons. How many seasons? 5. Which are they? Winter, summer, monsoon, spring and autumn. How many seasons are there? 5. Winter, summer, monsoon, spring and autumn. Do we wear same type of clothes in each season? No. In winter season we wear woolen clothes, we wear sweaters, jackets. Then in summer season what we prefer? Cotton clothes. In monsoon we wear raincoats. Yes or no? Yes. So in each season we wear different types of clothes and we also eat different types of food. See, first of all, winter season. It is very cold during winter. We wear woolen clothes. We like to drink hot things such as soup, tea, etc. What will happen in winter season? There will be too cold. It is very cold. And what we will like to wear? Woolen clothes. From where do we get wool? Yes, we get wool from sheep. What do we like to wear in winter season? Woolen clothes. And what we will drink? it's too cold outside, so we will prefer hot things like soup, tea, coffee, etc. Now turn the page. Spring season. Beautiful flowers bloom during spring. New leaves grow on trees. The weather is very pleasant. What will happen in spring season? New leaves will come on tree. See, look at the picture. Yes, see? Greenery is there. Yes or no? Yes, and the weather will be very pleasant. Next is summer. It is very hot in summer. We wear cotton clothes to keep ourselves cool. We use fan, coolers, etc. What will happen in summer season? It is very hot. So what we will prefer? We will prefer cotton clothes. And at every time what we will use? Fans, cooler, ACs. And in summer season, what do we like to eat? Ice cream. Yes or no? Yes. In summer season, we will eat ice cream. Then we will drink cold drinks. Yes or no? Yes. Then rainy season. Rainy season is also called the monsoon season. There are dark clouds in the sky. We use umbrellas, raincoats and gumboots when it rains. What will happen in monsoon season? Rain will come. So monsoon season is also known as rainy season. In rainy season, there will be dark clouds. And what we will use? We will use umbrellas, raincoat and gumboots. Last is autumn season. In autumn, the weather is neither hot nor cold. Most of the trees shed leaves during autumn. What will happen in autumn season? Trees will shed their leaves and the weather will be no more hot and no more cold. So, in this chapter, what we have learned? We have learned about weather and seasons. Yes or no? Yes. So, here chapter 13 of weather and season is completed. In next class, we will continue our writing portion of the textbook. Okay? Bye. Take care.